steel TP Products casserole. It comes in 3 different sizes. The lid can also be used as a tray. So like if you want to make chicken nuggets. But as I said, we've got this stainless steel casserole in 3 sizes. This is the large one. You can see there's another casserole inside with its lid, and then the third baby. The small casserole actually looks quite small, but it's very cute. But let's see how much meat it can take. So let's do still not full. So let's put in some more. How about chicken? Small, but it can take a lot of meat. There you go. You can also use the lid, like I said, for your chicken nuggets. Small, medium and large casserole. Let's put it all together. 3 casseroles in one. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.